This is the tutorial for getting your Google Doc off of Google Docs and into onto your computer so that you can print it or send it in to someone without having to share the Google Doc. So one way to do this, of course, is just to use the Share menu. If your professor or your coworkers have Google Docs as well, you just click Share. And if you just want to make it so that they can see this and can't mess with it, you can just click on Can View in the little drop down, or you can use the shareable link, and anyone with the link can only view this, or can comment, or can edit. The commenting suite for Google Docs is actually really good. I recommend it for when you're editing your papers or having other people proofread it, but we'll go through that another time. So I'm not going to share that. I'm going to download this paper. So one way to do this is just to use the print button, but you'll often find that your printer is not set up correctly. And on Macs, you end up with a save as PDF thing. If you have your printer installed, usually you can print right from there and it'll work pretty well. But let's say you don't have a printer and you just want to email this. Then we go to File, and we're going to click on Download As. So try to avoid using DocX and only keep the one copy, the copy you work on Google Drive, just to save yourself from making conflicting edits and losing track of what you've changed. We're just going to use PDF. A PDF will export it as you've made the formatting, so there's going to be no confusion, no wonky changes that appear, nothing that you'll have to check, and it'll be pretty straightforward. So I'm going to download it as a PDF. So now you want to make sure that you know where this goes, and one easy way with Google Chrome is just to click on this little drop down button, and we're going to go Show in Finder. And what that does is opens up in Finder our downloads folder, and you can drag from there to an email as you see fit, or you can put it on a stick or print it from there. And let's open it up to check. And here's our paper.